In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match your photos on Instagram using Darktable. If you're looking to create a cohesive feed, or simply want your images to have a consistent look, you'll find these tips very helpful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your reference photo and the photo you intend to edit in the darkroom view. Having both images in view is crucial. It allows you to directly compare them as you make adjustments. The goal here is to achieve a consistent style by matching the tones and colors. Next, let's turn to the RGB Curves module. This is where you adjust the brightness and contrast to align with your reference photo. Imagine the RGB Curves tool as your brush. It helps you paint the light just right, drawing out the vibrancy or subtle contrasts you see in your reference. Depending on your image, you might want to tweak different points along the curve until they mirror your source image's dynamic range. This initial step lays the foundation for achieving a harmonious look between the two images. Moving on, activate the Color Balance RGB module. This is particularly useful for adjusting shadows, midtones, and highlights. What you're doing here is setting the stage for the image's color grading by ensuring all aspects of brightness are consistent throughout. Imagine each part of your image as a sequence in your story. Shadows, midtones, and highlights. Each play a unique role in setting the overall mood. Adjust each one attentively to bring the image in closer alignment with your reference photo. The next step involves the Color Zones module. This is where you can get into the finer details by tuning individual colors. If certain hues are more vibrant or subdued in your reference photo, you can adjust these here. This module allows you to micromanage colors across your image to ensure that each hue matches across both photos, lending that seamless look. Additionally, don't overlook the power of saturation and vibrance adjustments. Think of these as the finishing touches, giving your photos the same mood and intensity. It's up to you whether this step is necessary, but it allows for an even closer match, particularly for images meant to feel as if they belong together. Finally, take a moment to compare the two images side by side. This is the best way to see how your adjustments have come together. If you find discrepancies, don't hesitate to make further tweaks. Fine-tuning at this stage can make all the difference in achieving that perfect match. And that's how you match your photos on Instagram using Darktable. With a bit of practice and your newfound skills, you'll be able to create visually stunning photographs that carry your unique style across all platforms. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.